How to manage account on your Facebook Messenger app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to manage account on your Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Click on your profile, scroll down, and now click on account setting. And you have the first option, which is personal information. Click on it and click on the last option and manage account, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.